YouTube. You feel me? Today is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. I got my brother with me.
You picked up the camera, man.
Yeah, he got on my ass and told me to pick the camera up today, so I guess I got a video for y'all today, man.
Yeah, you better have something.
I got a video for y'all, man.
You better have something by Wednesday next week, man.
You said what happened? Yes, sir. We're gonna help my brother right here pick this back up in his car. Think we got them Arnold Schwarzenegger and shit, lifting shit. Man, that shit was heavy. I don't know how the hell he get that shit in and out his goddamn trunk. That shit was heavy as hell. But we in Walmart right now. We gotta get a couple more like chips and drinks and shit for the function. It is. It been hitting on the name. Oh, that nigga got some big shit. Bro. And I can't take this nigga nowhere, gang. Like, this nigga, bro. Hey, the drinks and shit. Let me act like I've been here. We gotta go on that side. All the drinks and shit on that side. Like I said, man, we just getting the rest of the... I should have cut my hair. We just getting the rest of the... We just getting the rest of the goddamn drinks and chips and shit. And then we're gonna pull up on the rest of the game later. And
Jesus Christ.
show y'all what we got. You feel me? What we got going. Do your homework. Bro.
Leave it up to me and Sean to throw up. We gonna get drunk.
No. Fat nigga overly.
One way or another.
Overly. Bro.
We can merch.
Alright, y'all, so we got Sprites, we got families, you feel me? It's multiple people coming that's designated to bring different things of that nature. So we're just gonna stick to what we was designated for, you feel me?
To the stove, it's time to roll the design.
I don't even know what to call this nigga. Plastic bag man? So we got here and we got Amaya already ducking shots.
Bro.
Take a shot. Nobody said you gotta kill it, but take a shot.
I take a sip.
A sip.
You know.
And she look like
I probably look so
a damn banana. You said you been wet?
I probably look so fucking crazy on this camera.
You do.
My head.
Oh!
No. The waiting is not an option.
You knew what it was. What the fuck was that?
She thought she was drinking medicine. That thing ain't even moved, but stop playing, bro.
I can't know.
You're trolling. YouTube. Say hello. Say hello, Taylor. Say.
Oh, hell no!
All right. Say no more. It's the slide, y'all.
Chat.
I mean, it will, but it won't.
Let me tell you. We don't know what this is, where it came from, and how it got here. But
They should have kept this wherever they found it. I ain't gonna lie, cause they be hitting. I ain't gonna lie to you. How good? But yeah, we out here with the slide, watching it fill up and shit. Wait, it feel good though. It's a nice day outside today. OG back there putting the tent up. Feel me? Go down, ladies first. Oh, y'all go down, now I go in there. Oh, now you looking for Taylor? Don't. But do your homework. My homegirl got this average ass young hoe camera. She getting her content. My camera right here.
Type shit, okay.
I mean, this one of them, but like, yeah, this my homegirl, young hoe camera. They finna go down the slide and shit. Let's do it.
Come on, Amaya.
Ladies first. Let's do it. Going up.
Look at the fucking water. What's on it?
I feel like a cameraman.
Look, Amaya! No! You make... Bro, oh my... Amaya, go! Go!
That's Amaya.
Ah!
seen a damn tidal wave. We soggy, bro.
We saw this.
They want to go down 7,000 more times.
They told us to going down on the extenders. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck they feeling like?
Let's do it, gang. Wait, Chase going up that bit. Let's do it.
That bit, bro.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Wait, yeah, get right me, get it, grab it.
Oh, the bait
Wait,
thing.
no.
That bait gonna drown merch. It's gonna drown merch.
Don't throw it out here.
It's gonna drown. You might want to hold that bit while you go down, shot. Might want to hold that bit, gang. That bit over with. Damn.
Oh, broken hell.
Damn. You better all keeping that bit. Do it. Ooh, shit. You. Bro. I know your ass ain't up there with no socks on. Oh. My ski hill, you feel me? Do your homework. Feel me? Everybody out there, bit. My mom, Madison right there. Lay here. Yeah. Jalea on the other side. Jalea right there. Oh, my mama. We out there, bitch, just watching, drinking. You feel me? They scared to get in the water. Lay, you getting in the water? Lay, you getting in the water? Yeah. Okay, then. Lay, get in the water. What happened?
This nigga BJ talking about some, yeah, agreeing with you, right? Put it all the way
Oh my life, everybody don't jump out.
Yeah, you down, Ski. I ain't gonna lie. You down, Ski. She can't say shit. I ain't gonna lie. No, she has been drinking though. I ain't gonna lie. She been drinking though. Yeah, she been drinking. She been drinking on bro.
Y'all come look at this.
Let's do it, Lay. Let's do it, Quinn. Boy, let go. I ain't gonna lie. I done been on that bit about a million times. I'm tired of getting in that bit. She been in it about one time. Now she don't want to get in it no more.
Elise!
Let go.
What you doing?
Take your ass to the top. Nah, hell no, gangster. I just got out that bit. Come on, Lay. Get up there again. Oh. Oh shit. Hey, she got you fucked up. Gonna make a damn tidal wave. There's a whole lot of big bats up there. Let go. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. We got a firing squad. Ooh, shit. Ooh. Damn. Damn. Hey, look though, me personally,
I wouldn't go. I wouldn't go for shit.
yeah, look at this. Damn.
I want to go for a bitch ass thing.
Nah,
That's
facts.
That's just me though. That's just
Facts.
I want to go for shit.
Damn. Nigga said I'm going home. Nigga said I'm going home. No. No. Hey, bro, chill out, bro. Watch out. Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Nigga, you do it! If you're a real nigga, you do it! Oh, shit! Oh,
Nigga, we're fried, nigga. Drunk.com is the name.
Oh, it's so cute! That shit was weak as hell. Fuck all that.
Ooh, shit. Hey, like that one. Like that one. That big on me. Hey. Chill the fuck out.
What a thing.
This part sticking up.
Okay, where the lighter?
Click this.
What the fuck it is?
Click it. There you go.
Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be, yeah.
I'm like one, you like one.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all get the fuck back. Hey, everybody get the fuck back.
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
Come on, fuck that. That weak ass shit. Come on.
Right here. Damn. Not finna run.
That nigga said, fuck that Sprite. Oh, bro.
No, me first.
We finna talk both.
You gotta make that shit long enough though. Don't blow your hand.
Wait, it's 3 of them? These bitches broken.
Not like
Don't grab them bitches.
Wait, hold up.
Ones. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
She talking about some egg. Now you're a bottle girl.
Yep.
Bringing out one bottle. He said them bitches ain't even make it to the section. Oh, shit. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, I think I went deaf. On my camera.
Damn. Hey, bro. If I was you, I'd back the fuck up right now.
Oh, hell no!
Bye. Have a great time.